Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to learn some of the excellent fundamental concepts which could span for 3 sessions maybe, and I'm going to prove all this with Python, and they will be very helpful for you to learn machine learning and even deep learning. So we are going to go step by step, and I'll talk about only fundamentals, but this will be definitely interesting for you. Let's go ahead straight away. Well, what is the most important thing in the data analytics or data analysis? It's very simple. You need to know the type of data, right? So we have got three types of data. One is numerical, second one is categorical, the third one is ordinal. So do we need to really learn this? Yes, it's very important. Once you understand the type of data, you can go further much easier in processing the data. Let's go one step at a time. What is the numerical data? Very simple, they are numbers. Numeric is all about numbers. There are two types of numeric data. One is discrete and the second one is continuous. So when you talk about the discrete data, they are all integers. Simple, you can say the number of people sitting in a class, number of cars that have crossed you, all these will come under the discrete category. But when you go to the continuous data, it is numbers, but within a finite or infinite interval. It can be like the size of an item, a price of a car. It's more of measurable in nature. The discrete will be more of countable in nature, but continuous will be more of measurable in nature. Some examples I have placed here for your quicker reference: number of eggs in the basket, number of children in the class, Facebook likes, and the number of diaper changes in a particular day, number of wins in a particular season for IPL. So all these are the examples that you can take under the discrete category. But when you come to the continuous, wind speed, water temperature, volts of electricity, all these will come under continuous. They are more of measurable, where the previous one is more of countable. Right. The next one is going to be categorical. What is this? Very simple. Data can be observed. You are going to observe, but it cannot be measured. Color, taste, smell, appearance, text, texture. There are all some simple examples. You can observe, but you cannot measure them against each other. And the final type of data is ordinal. It's more of categorization, but there is a mild change. You can measure them against each other. It's categorical in nature, but they enable you to measure them against each other. You can see that grading is a simple example here. A, B, C is there. I can see A, B, C as categories, but they can be measured against each other. They can be compared against each other. Now, banana is there, small, medium, and large. They have been categorized as small banana, medium banana, and large banana, but I can measure them against each other as well. So this is called ordinal type of data. So we have seen three types of data here: numeric, and then it went to categorization, and finally it went to ordinal type. I have explained it very clearly, I believe. Now the next very important thing, which is a fundamental stuff, but most of us would be knowing it, is the mean, median, and mode. What is it? Mean is nothing but the average, median is nothing but the center value, mode is nothing but the most commonly occurring value. That's all. Remember, mean is nothing but the average, median is the middle value, mode is the most commonly occurring value. Well, we are going to implement it. I'm going to implement and show everything as I told you right in the beginning. And I have got marks of 6 children here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is the mark. They are the marks presented for the children. Now I need to go ahead and find out the mean. How do I get it? I need to use Numpy. So you can see the code here. Import Numpy. The marks are presented here: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Numpy dot mean. The method that I'm calling here is mean, and marks is passed as an argument, and that's all. Print x. You get the mean of it. What is mean? Mean is nothing but the average. 35 is the average of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Now what is the next thing? Next thing is median. So how do I get median? Same Numpy will come for rescue. So it's again import Numpy. Marks, I've got the same set of data, and x is equal to Numpy dot median. I'm pulling the method median here, and I'm passing marks as argument. So how do we get median? The center is called the median. So you can see that here 10, 20, 50, 60 are the borders. 30 and 40 together will be added now. So 70, 70 by 2. So 35 is the value here. 35 is the output here for the median. Well, what is the third thing now? It is nothing but the mode. How do we get the mode? Simple. Here I am pulling Scipy. So Scipy, from Scipy, I import the module called as stats. So this will tell you how many times the maximum number of occurrences of a particular value is what is going to be presented here. So you can see that here 86 has occurred once, twice, and thrice. Rest of the numbers, though it could have occurred once or twice, it did not occur thrice. So the answer could be 86 is the most number of occurring instance, and number of times it occurred is 3. And I have found it out simply using Scipy, and I have imported stats and I used the stats.mode method and I passed marks as an argument. That's all. It's very simple. So what did we learn in this particular session? Very simple. I explained you the types of data, followed by I also gave you a picture about how do we implement and find out the mode, median, and we have seen the demo as well. The mode, median, and you can see that mean. So all these have been explained very clearly. In case you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the chat section. I'll be very happy to answer. Thank you for following my channel. If you like the channel, the content, kindly subscribe. Thank you.